In today's 9 to 5 exit strategy video, let's talk about the vending machine business with a twist. Vending machine businesses have become a popular choice for aspiring entrepreneurs. A vending machine business is a unique type of service-based business that offers convenience and accessibility to a wide range of products. It operates through strategically placed machines that provide customers with a variety of items and snacks. Whether it's beverages, snacks, or other everyday essentials, vending machines offer a modern and efficient way for people to access the products they need. This is why the vending machine business concept has gained so much popularity in recent years. Its ability to cater to various needs and locations, making it a promising venture for aspiring entrepreneurs. What if you could start, own, and operate your very own virtual vending machine? And here's the twist. We're not talking about a vending machine filled with soft drinks or candy bars, but instead, vending machines already preloaded with and sells digital money-making funnel systems and training. The absolute only reason an individual steps up to your vending machine is to make a selection and a purchase. Our virtual vending machines can be unlocked and completely set up within the next 20 minutes. And after establishing your locations, can go to work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To get more information about our virtual vending machine, visit TheNewViralVendingMachine Com. Looking forward to working with and welcoming you inside.